TULA Hydrating Day and Night Cream is like a multivitamin for your skin. This age-defying moisture cream feeds your skin with yogurt, apple, avocado, olive, watermelon and lentil extracts and gives you hydrated, supple skin day and night. Expert-developed formula including TULA's patented probiotic technology, smooths, firms, and moisturizes. Thoughtfully formulated with fine ingredients. Free from parabens, mineral oil, petrolatum, phthalates, propylene glycol, and gluten. Never tested on animals. Uses an advanced complex that provides intense hydration and visibly reduces and eliminates fine lines and wrinkles, giving you younger and firmer skin. Potent yet gentle formula that has been thoroughly tested for sensitivity and irritation. TULA, nourishing your skin with good-for-you ingredients. TULA is a lifestyle brand that empowers women to live healthier, balanced, and more beautiful lives by resetting their beauty regimen. Built on the belief that the same ingredients that are good for your internal health are also great for your skin, TULA products use probiotic technology to deliver skin-nourishing benefits. TULA defends against harmful external bacteria with a proprietary blend of nourishing ingredients, probiotics including yogurt and milk extracts, nutripeptides from hydrolyzed rice, vitamins A, C and E, antioxidants including turmeric, white tea and blueberry extract, and omega-3 and 6 fatty acids derived from wild flax oil. We stand behind our products and want you to love them as much as we do. If for any reason you aren't satisfied with your purchase, you can return it for a refund within 30 days of purchase. TULA does not cover shipping for returned items. Discover balanced and beautiful skin with TULA Probiotic technology. Order now. All day everyday hydration. Expert-developed formula with patented probiotic technology promotes skin elasticity, calms inflammation and moisturizes for everyday protection and nourishment. PROBIOTIC Skin Renewal. Feed your skin with yogurt, apple, avocado, olive, watermelon and lentil extracts for hydrated, supple skin day and night. TULA Skin Care has been lauded for its quality skin care products in many publications, and this hydrating day and night cream has been featured in Women's Health, Teen Vogue, Life and Style, Birdie, and more. Goes perfectly with our Purifying Face Cleanser and our Illuminating Face Serum for balanced, glowing skin. Try TULA worry-free with our 30-day return policy. We stand behind our products. Quality guaranteed, free from parabens, mineral oil, petrolatum, phthalates, propylene glycol, sulfates and gluten. Cruelty-free. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.